the production, processing and preparation of edible bird nests. All staff and production workers follow a strict regimen of hygiene to prevent the contamination of the raw bird nests. The initial stage represents the cleaning process where surface debris and various other foreign matter is carefully stripped and removed from the raw bird nests. The next stage of the production process involves meticulously extracting finer particulates and extraneous matter from the clean and washed bird nest. This stage involves the tedious extraction and separation of unwanted matter from the highly prized nest. The third stage involves quality control, where each thread or strand of the bird nest is thoroughly scrutinized for any remaining foreign matter. This triple cleaning, extraction and quality check process ensures only the purest strands of bird nest is obtained for the next stage of the processing. The pure and concentrated bird nests are then molded into its characteristic cup-shaped form, which is dried at around 34 degrees for about 4 hours. The finished product is then shipped to various packaging and retail outlets.